Today we're going to be looking at this strategy here, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name is David and welcome back to my channel where we go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking back on the strategy that I teased you guys with on Monday, a pullback strategy using a couple of new indicators that I've never tested here before on David Tech. So without further ado, I guess the best idea is to get over to my computer. Let's have a look at this strategy, and hopefully if the optimization gods are with me, we will find some decent settings for a good trading strategy. But guys, before I go, if you do enjoy the video, if you don't mind giving the video a good old like. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday about profitable trading strategies and other buy sell signal indicators on Tradingview. So let's get over to that computer. Let's go. Right, okay guys, here I am on Tradingview. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. We're going to start by adding our indicators. We're going to add first of all the baseline indicator. That indicator is going to give us our trend direction. All of the indicators that I'm going to be talking about today are free of charge and you'll be able to find them on davidtech.com. Go up to free indicators up here. They're all free and open source. There's a huge list of my favorite indicators here where you can add them all to Tradingview just by adding them to your favorites, and you'll be able to find them very easily on Tradingview. Right, okay, first thing we're going to do is go to indicators at the top here. We're going to add our first indicator, which is called the TC pullback, and it's this indicator here called the magic TC pullback. We're going to add it to our charts, and it's going to add this kind of a cloud looking indicator to our charts. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to our cog up here and we're going to set up the magic TC pullback indicator. The only thing that we're going to change is the length of the TC2, and we're going to change that to 50, giving us a much slower moving average. Now this cloud here is actually built on the T3, and we're looking for pullbacks in our chart when we're actually moving in a bullish or bearish direction. So the slower moving average, which is the one above when you're looking for shorts, or the one that below when you're looking for longs, is going to be our baseline. That is going to give us our trend direction. Then we have a much faster moving average here of a T3 set at 5 here. This moving average is going to give us our pullbacks. As you can see, when this goes red to green and then goes back to red, we've created a pullback and the background goes red, giving us our entry. This would have been our first entry just here, and as you can see, it would have pulled back to the band here, giving us an absolutely perfect entry, never going back to our entry, and would have given us a 25% win, which is absolutely incredible. The other way around, when we're looking for longs, the slower T3 moving average is giving us our trend direction. We're waiting for the first pullback, which would have given us this green background just here, giving us an entry on this candle just here, just like this. We'll be able to set our stop loss around this area here, and as you can see, the market would have reversed and would have given us another entry of around 12.3%, which is absolutely incredible. But of course, guys, we as algo traders and indicator traders know that 2 indicators is not going to give us enough confirmation for our entries. Obviously, there's going to be areas where you're going to get stopped out quite a lot with only 2 indicators on the charts. But that's the wonderful thing about algo trading. Not only can we diversify our portfolios much better, trading many strategies, but we can also confirm and backtest all of our strategies using the backtest on Tradingview. So the next indicator I'm going to be adding, I'm going to go up to indicators up here, and we're going to be searching for the modern trend identifier just here. It's going to be by Dude Owns. Is this one just here. I do have my own version that allows us to change the colors of backgrounds and all of that kind of thing, so I'm going to add my version just here. Okay, so down the bottom here we now have a new indicator called the modern trend identifier. As you can see, it is a bit hard to read. We do have a line here that actually confirms our trend and our entries. The modern trend indicator is a bit of a complex indicator. It looks a bit like the Tradingview. There are some upper bands and lower bands that you can hardly see, and we also have a couple of thresholds here. I played around with the indicator and just looked for the best settings. Best settings that I've found is when this green line turns to red and gives us our trend direction. So we're going to be looking for pullbacks. The only thing we're going to look for is for the background to be red, confirming our entries. We're just as you can see on this entry here, would have done an absolute perfect job of confirming that pullback as the background goes red. That would have confirmed our pullback, which would have given us that wonderful 24.77% win. And now to complete our plan, we need a volume or a volatility indicator. We're going to go up the top here and we're going to be adding the Hawkeye volume indicator by AA Monkey here. It's this one here. Like I said earlier, I've also got my David Tech version on the website here, which allows for the backgrounds to change color, and it also sets up all the alerts. You can get alerts easily on TradingView. Right, okay, this indicator is very much a volume indicator like the one we already have on our charts here, but it's a bit on steroids. We have an MA and colored candles indicating whether the trend is bearish or bullish. The MA I'm going to be using only for a confirmation here with the red candles turning red. So if we have a red candle just like this one here and it is above the MA, we're going to confirm that entry just like we have just here, confirming our pullback. We're going to set our entry to this candle just here. But unfortunately, guys, the indicator that I chose to do the stop losses on Monday didn't work out as much as well as an ATR. So we're going to be adding once again the ATR bands for our stop loss and take profit. Unfortunately, it is what it is. If it works, it works. I guess if you can't beat them, join them. Right, let's add it to our charts. The ATR bands by David Tech. This one here, we're going to change the multiplier to 2.5 and we're going to press OK. We're going to go and we're going to set our stop loss to the ATR band, which is just above there like that. And then we're going to be setting our take profits to 2. Boom, like that. You would have earned 3.24%. And you can see by the red backgrounds that we're getting plenty of entries all the way down to the bottom of this trend. Fantastic. That looks absolutely brilliant. I'm very happy with the strategy. I'm going to go away and code it and optimize it. We're using the optimizer tool by David Tech here, which optimizes our trading strategies. I will be back in a couple of seconds with hopefully some fantastic backtesting results. Let's go.
Come on, David, and once again he's got to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Okay guys, the backtesting results are in, but before we go over to the backtesting results, I'd love to invite you over to our brand new website, davidtech.com, where you can see how all of the trading strategies that me and the community have put together for you to come and have a look at. As you can see, we can see the backtesting in green here and the live trading in purple. We can see all of the results in wonderful tables here, and in a couple of clicks you can copy this over to your TradingView or even just simply copy them as bots without even having to pay your TradingView subscription. Okay, let's get over to the backtesting results. The backtesting results are in. Drum roll, please. Boom. Right, okay guys, here we have a fantastic looking equity curve. On the 1 hour time frame, we have 1,828% profit, 990 closed trades, a win rate of only 45%. We are on a risk reward of 1.7. I said 2 earlier, but this one actually turned out to be 1.7. Profit vector is 1.7. Max drawdown is 27%. We are on 10x leverage, so you could probably get that right way down if you were reducing the leverage. Let's have a look at the buy and hold. The buy and hold would have been 868%, so we absolutely smashed that with this trading strategy, and we didn't go through all of the huge dumps that you might have by holding. We're back testing all the way to 2020 March the 25th. Let's have a look at some of the smaller, closer data here. This is going all the way back to 2022, as we can't go back further with these tables on TradingView. The win rate for that data is 47%. The max wins in a row were 7. Max losses were 8, but the losses obviously are a lot smaller than the wins, which is absolutely brilliant. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to be doing loads of brand new competitions as we get closer to 1 million subscribers here on YouTube. Thank you very much for all the wonderful support. If you have any ideas for competitions that you would like me to do, please don't hesitate to put them down in the comments below, and I will be doing loads more competitions in the next couple of weeks. Without further ado guys, take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, have an absolutely wonderful weekend. I look forward to meeting you in Discord. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's got to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.